Yo guys, what's up? Your boy is back, and today we're going to talk about Huawei Mate 20. As you guys know, Huawei Mate 10 was a great smartphone. It had everything that needed in 2017. But as time is changing, everything has changed. Now brands like Oppo and Vivo has introduced their smartphone like Oppo Find X and Vivo Nexus. They are very much innovative, and it's time for brands like Huawei, Samsung, and Apple to make innovative things and introduce something new. So Huawei is manufacturing Mate 20 and Mate 20 Pro. There are many leaks and rumors are circling about Mate 20. The first thing is the display. The Huawei Mate 20 will have a 6.9-inch AMOLED panel. The other thing that Huawei need to improve is the bezel of the display. As you guys know, Huawei P20 Pro has a bezel at the bottom. It is a thick bezel, and Huawei need to improve the bezel. It should be thin. As you guys know, this is the era of bezel-less smartphone, and who would buy a smartphone with lot of thick bezels? So Huawei needs to improve this thing. There is a rumor that the Pro variant of Mate 20 will have a curved OLED panel, and this isn't from the Samsung or LG. This OLED panel is from a Chinese panel maker named Bo. And other thing is that this OLED panel will have an in-display fingerprint scanner. We have already seen a in-display fingerprint scanner device from Huawei, and this time they are bringing it in the Mate 20 Pro. So this will officially come in the market for the users. Huawei Mate 20 will come with Kirin 980 chipset. This is an upgrade from the last year 970, and there are rumors that saying that it will be the most powerful chipset in the smartphone era. As Huawei Mate 20 showed up on Antutu, and it got some incredible numbers. It was a much-needed upgrade as Huawei's Kirin 970 was far behind from Snapdragon 845 chipset, so Huawei is bringing it in the Mate 20, and this is a brand new chipset. This is incredible. There is not any information about the release date of this smartphone, but it will come in the quarter 4, and this device is a direct competition to the Galaxy Note 9 and Apple's 6.4-inch iPhone. So that's for now, and if you like this video, give a big thumbs up, and if you know anything about this smartphone, sound off in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Peace out.